Chile, Brazil, Jamaica, general cargo, top 4 officers to embark. $8,500 the captain chief engineer, $6,500 chief officer second engineer. We have a ship owner of 180 ships, yes, you heard right, and the certificates of Jamaica, Chile and Brazil are endorsed. It's very important, you know, very good English. We know Jamaica has very good English, and also we know that the inflation, the pending tourism will make the Jamaican dollar fall regarding with the US dollar. Also we know that regarding the copper, the exports of Chile, 50% depend the value of the Chilean peso. If these exports fall because China does not buy as much, then perhaps the inflation and the exchange rate, the Chilean peso to dollar also will change. And perhaps we know that Brazilian real also, it will change very little with the dollar, but you probably will have no opportunity to go up the ladder because the captain and the old chief officer and the chief engineer and the second engineer will not retire, so you will not be able to promote under cottage, host conditions, Brazilian flag, container ships, general cargo ships. So it's a huge opportunity for you to apply, like and subscribe. There is 14,000 officers in Brazil. Now, how many of you want to promote? Perhaps you have been listening to these videos, and also Jamaica, Chile, and Brazil. You have 4 contracts as third officer, 3 contracts as a second officer, and now the old guy, chief officer, is not letting you promote. Apply here urgently and keep learning English, because this is going to be a US dollar company. After 9 months, you get the 3% return bonus, 12.5% basic wage, and then you also have inflation adjusted this year, 2.5 it was. So next year we will have 2.5 again. I don't know how much inflation will be next year, but there is a huge possibility for you from Chile, Brazil, Jamaica to promote. Perhaps you have these guys, top 4, that are either this nationality or that nationality, but there's no way you can push up here. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. Hope soon we start getting a huge pool of local American top 4 officers. General cargo, this is 180 direct ship owner from Holland. And then the company in Holland, there is direct flights, huge Airbus of Dutch flying company. Anyway, so please apply, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.